Good morning, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and I have finally finished this kind of spring journal that I made. As you can see, I put closures on it with eyelets and a ribbon because it was super huge. It's like this. I'm not holding it open. It's this big when it's not got a closure. Anyway. If you know me, you know that I started in February. I have to put the last date. It was April something. I'll figure that out later. But anyway, if you know me, you know that my junk journals are mainly memory keeping, so they're very heavy with photos, and I do not show my loved ones' faces, so you will see that they are all covered. Hopefully I've covered each one. Anyway, this was my invisible pocket, and you may have remembered that I had this giant journaling card in there, but I knew I was never going to use it as a journaling card, so I put it on the back of my next journal because it's so cute. So we do have, I forgot to cover. Well, anyway, this was February 22nd. We do have a lot of junk. Oh, this is a pocket. And some of the Easter activities and things I got for the kids go in here. Vanilla caramel tea. I really liked that tea. I liked this tag that we got from our groomers, so I put a picture of a dog on it and just put it in here. I think this was coffee that my husband got, and we liked the design on it. So my son ended up in the hospital. It was in the last week of February with a intestinal blockage and a hernia that he didn't know he had, and he was there for several days, and then he was out of work for a whole month. So I just documented that a little bit. Then I got a thank you card for my daughter-in-law there. This is a page dedicated to my son Micah. He turned 40, and this is my 3 oldest sons. They went to his wife had a really neat little party set up for him, and my 3 sons were there, and they got a picture. We didn't go because it was in Brooklyn, too far away for us. And this was just pictures in the park. This is some of the things that Bethany and I have a movie night with popcorn every time she comes. This is the family portrait that she drew of us. This pirate booty is for my grandson. He brings snacks when he comes to visit on every Thursday. He brings some of his own snacks. This is just an envelope that I put some like a handmade card in, and another family portrait, and this is something about recycling there. Our first flowers, crocuses. This is a craft I had gotten for Bethany to do another one of my teas that I like. I also keep my library receipts in there, which I did take out, but that will go back in there. This was a day with Bethany. We went to the dog park, I believe. There, and this is a washi tape tag that I made, and on the other side is a picture of her on a swing. This was from a McDonald's trip with our grandson, and I just kept all the stuff from the store. Receipt is in there. I think I did this page online. He fell asleep in his dinner there. Over here I just put this vellum over another craft that Bethany did. We went to go visit our grandson at his house, and I made another washi tape tag. Whoops. And my daughter Bethany's on the other side of that. This is a washi tape tag that I made for this little corset pocket, and I do have videos on how to make this corset pocket. I can link that. Yeah, these are just some of the Easter treats. This is from the McDonald's little newsletter thing, or I think it was a craft actually that we got. I Another family portrait here. I don't know if you can tell because I covered up a lot of it, but I gave my grandson some pictures and he made a collage. So that's what we did on March 25th. This is a bingo game that we play with Bethany in the car. It started in 2020. We were trying to find things to do to get out of the house but not be around people. So we started going on drives and playing car bingo, and she still likes to do that. She does that every week. I bring the same one, same exact bingo card. This is a tag I made, like a patchwork tag. Bethany lives in a group home now, and this was her bedroom. They did a bedroom makeover for her. They got her a new shelf, they got her a TV, and they got her a bed that looks like a couch. It's like a day bed. And so that's, this is just an old card from her 18th birthday, but I recently found it and I liked it, so I put it in there. Another day with our grandson. I had gotten him some Paw Patrol stickers, and that's what he's doing there. And then I wrote about it on this little card. I put this in here and I never did anything with it. So I might write in there at some point, but this is all the crafts. She kept wanting to buy these crafts over and over. And so I made a banner out of them, or a garland. This is another tea bag my daughter-in-law got me for Christmas. My tag, and there's some photos in here. So that's what I kept in there. Goldfish from my grandson, and then I don't eat candy very often, but when I do, it's hot tamales. And I saw they have hot tamale socks at Dollar Tree. So funny. This is a game that my daughter-in-law got for Bethany many years ago, and all the grandkids love it. So I just put it in here. This was a pillow. I got a new pillow from, actually I got 2 new pillows from Walmart, and this was some Dollar Tree ribbon that I finally used up. I'd had it for years. Inside here is more family portraits. This is the granola bar that my grandson eats. I got this silicone baking sheet from Aldi, and my daughter is into pancakes, so I put the pancake picture on there. But this was weird. I wasn't sure if you were supposed to put it on another baking dish or what, but it ended up you don't have to put it on another baking dish. This is another craft that Bethany made. Here we went to an Easter party at the Boys and Girls Club with our grandson. It's another washi tape tag. Everybody runs on Duncan. And this is another corset pocket. Yeah, more pictures with the Easter Bunny. This was the first time Bethany had ever seen the Easter Bunny. So there she is with the Easter Bunny. And this is more craft things that she made. Another one of my teas. I thought this was really cute. We got they had all kinds of candy on the tables at the Boys and Girls Club, and I liked that packet, so I just put a tag in there and wrote a little bit on there. Another family portrait. More time with the Easter Bunny, and then back at our house, we decorated eggs and had a little indoor egg hunt because it was too cold and rainy that day. And then the next weekend was my grandson's second birthday, and my daughter asked if she could have it at our house, and of course I said yes. Then I have this as a flip up, but there's really nothing under there. And I had taken my grandson to the library, and these are some of the activities we did there. Then we went to McDonald's for lunch. This is my one grandson looking at the doll that his cousin got for his birthday. And this is my my grandson, Peter's birthday at our house. And that's the little doll that he got. A little boy doll named Elliot. And then we had an Easter egg hunt outside. His birthday's April 23rd. And this was, I don't know the 12th, I think. And so we just decided, since they live so far away, we'd celebrate Easter and his birthday. And then this is all the kids that came to the party. And these three are cousins from our side of the family, and then these are his cousins from his father's side of the family, because his other uncle, aunt, and their kids' cousins came, and his other grandma and grandpa came. And it was just a fun day. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little flip through, even though I cover everybody's faces up. And now I'm going to have to go back through and take the tape off of everybody's face, because I'm afraid it'll become permanent if I don't. Actually, it wasn't tape, it was like sticky notes. Anyway, thanks so much for watching and listening to me ramble on, and we'll ask that you stay safe and healthy and happy, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.